In order to start advertising on Google AdWords the first step is to create your Google AdWords account. If you already have an account, you can jump to the next video where we will continue with the course. If not, here, let's start doing that right now. First step is to go to adwords.google.com, and here you have the starting interface. This interface will probably be different for you because Google changes it every week. But you will have the Start Now button. So click on Start Now here, and let's create the first account. First, Google asks us to enter the email address. So I'll enter a temporary email address I have for testing. So it's temp@diegodavila.com. And what's your website? They asking for my website. So here I'll enter diegodavila.com. Click on Continue. And now we are ready to create the first Google AdWords account. Enter your name here and your last name. Enter a strong password. Let's see. Excellent. Enter your birthday. Let's enter a generic birthday here. And you can enter your phone number if you want. This is not mandatory, but if you want, you can enter your number here and choose your location. Click on Next Step. Here we have the privacy and terms. Make sure you read this and you agree with all the terms and policies. And if you agree, you click I agree. So we can move to the next step. Excellent. Now, here we are ready to continue with the account creation. But let me tell you, sometimes Google asks you for your phone number in the next screen in order to verify that you are a real person. So if that happens, all you need to do is enter your phone number, and you have the option to receive a text message or a call from Google. This is a free call or a text message with a code. You enter the code and that's all you need to do. So now Google is asking us to create our first campaign. I know that this is not the best time for create the first campaign because probably you are new to Google AdWords. We are just creating the account and we don't want to worry right now on creating a real campaign here. But because this is mandatory, we will need to create a draft campaign here, and let's do that with just simple data right now. Here we have the budget. Let's set the budget to, let's see if they accept $1 a day here. Yes, $1 a day. Okay, locations, US and Canada, let's leave this for now. Keywords, let's select the keyword here, select any keywords that you want here, just as a test. Let's see here, Facebook marketing. Let's add this one so we can move forward. Excellent. So now we have the bid is good. Add text. Enter a headline here. Headline. And enter a text here. This is just for testing. Don't worry about this right now. This is just, click on save. This is just to make sure we can move forward with the account creation. So they are asking me to enter more information here. Okay, save this. Wonderful. Click on save and continue. And the last step is to enter a payment method. And don't worry, Google won't charge you anything for the first ad because we will disable after the account creation. I'll show you how to do that. So we are creating this ad just as a sample in order to allow us to create an account. So next step, we have the payment information. Here you enter your billing country. Make sure you choose the right one here because you won't be able to change this later. Here you enter the specific time zone that you have. Enter your business name or your name. Enter your address, primary contact if you want, phone number, all this information. At the end, you enter your credit card. When you are ready with this, click on finish and create ad. And after that, Google will forward you to the Google AdWords main panel, which is this guy here. You are seeing here right now a lot of information. On yours, you won't have any information for now. Only you will have your current campaign that we just created. Okay, in order to disable that campaign, we are doing two more things, guys, here before we move forward to the next video. Okay, we are pausing that campaign that we just created as a sample, and we are also confirming your email address with Google. So first, let's pause your campaign. If you are here on the Google AdWords panel, or if you are not here, you can go to adwords.google.com. you click on campaigns here, second option on the top menu. And now we need to pause your campaign. You will see your campaign here, and all you need to do is click on the green button and click on pause, or you can even remove it if you want. Remember, that campaign is just as a test we created in order to make sure that we have a valid Google AdWords account. So you pause your campaign, and by doing that, we are making sure that Google is not running this campaign because it's just a test. After that, when we have the campaign pause, we're happy with that, we go to your email and we need to confirm your email address because it's a new account. So you will see an email like this, Google AdWords, verify your email to complete your account sign up. So click on that, and here we will have a link. This is the link that we are copying and pasting here on your profile. Let's see here. Excellent, we are confirming your account. In this case, it's still asking me for the credit card information because I didn't enter. I already have an account. This is just a sample account I'm creating for you. Okay, with all that, we are ready to move forward on the course. You now have an account, and by doing that, you are ready to start advertising to millions of people all over the world through Google AdWords. And also, you will have now free access to one of the top tools that we have here on Google AdWords, which is the Google Keyword Planner. This tool here, I'll show you here on the course in the next videos how to use this effectively. This is super powerful. It's an amazing tool that you will use in order to find the absolute best keywords for your business. Okay, let's continue with the course right now.